what's up everyone? My name is Iris and today I'll let you know how to book through Salkantay Trekking's website. If you already know which package you want to book, then follow these steps. First, go to our website and choose the package you want to book. Our website is www.salkantaytrekking.com. Second, find the booking calendar and select your travel date. Available dates are marked in this color. If you see the following message, the day has no passengers yet, and we need at least 2 people to open it. Click on Add to Cart. Once you enter to our booking platform, remember to double-check your travel date and the number of passengers. Third, click on the Book Now button, then fill your information and the information of the people who accompany you on the trip. You should also note the contact details of the person making the reservation. Remember to read the terms and conditions carefully and proceed to the next step. Now click on Continue. Fourth, choose the amount you want to pay and your payment method. Fifth, once the payment is complete, you will receive an email with all the information regarding the confirmation of your reservation. Please note that you can inquire about tour information and receive travel advice from our sales agents through our WhatsApp number or via email. Thank you for booking with Salkantay Trekking. One of our booking agents will contact you within 48 hours. Your dream trip is now booked.